That's what.
इतल्यो subsidies आसा आणि तुम्ही डिझाईन करता buildings reducing the consumption. But do you incorporate की जे generation आसा like solar panels घालून डिझाईन करता buildings?
कितें आसता लोकांचे आतां रेजिडेंशियल बिल्डिंग्स आसता पळय रेजिडेंशियल बिल्डिंग्स जनरली पीपल डोंट गो इन फॉर सोलर पीपल डोंट गो इन फॉर रिन्युएबल एनर्जी पूण जेन्ना आमी व्हडल्यो बिल्डिंग्यो पळयता कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग्स वेन वी लूक एट IT पार्क्स where the consumption of energy is huge, that is where people go in for renewable energy. One small example I'll give you is our own IGBC headquarters, the Indian Green Building Council's headquarters at Hyderabad. Initially, the building was designed with a green rooftop, so there were plants on the roof and all. Somewhere 5-6 years back, the green rooftop was removed, painted with reflective, high solar reflective index paint. So white paint mallo, and we at IGBC installed bi-directional solar photovoltaic cells. So kids the reflected the incident sunlight creates energy, as well as the reflected light, it was also generating solar energy.
Okay.
So both ways we were generating solar energy, and IGBC headquarters today is a net positive building. We have got more power than what we actually use in the building.
Okay.
So commercial buildings are moving towards solar energy in a large way. आणि लोक म्हणटात एक्सपेन्सिव तो जनरली कितें आसता तो व्हडलो मनीस एक येता 50 लाखाची गाडयेन येता आनी 20 लाख जायना म्हणटा घालपाक सोलर प्लांटान इट डजंट मेक सेन्स लायट एनर्जी ना जाल्यार करप कितें फॅक्टरी बंद करप सो लोक
I would add one thing what Bharat has said. What he has said is very true. People who do not know S of solar energy, they give sermons on solar energy that it is not feasible and all. So when you are being followed by thousands of people and you make such statement, it
the society
so the society adopts your thing. This man is saying that should not be like that. You must have domain knowledge of the subject what you are speaking.
Exactly.
And otherwise, what happens? The people will follow you, and
Correct.
whatever they'll demotivate to go for solar. So
And
this kind of attitude should be curbed. I agree to him.
See, negativity, we cannot be negative about solar. कारण आमचो प्रधानमंत्री is the leader about solar in the world.
In the world.
Our prime minister speaks about solar. आणि हांगा आमचे लोक म्हणटा solar is expensive. मागीर प्रधानमंत्री कित्याक उलयता? प्रधानमंत्रीन इतलो लीड घेतला. Even the United Nations has spoken about our solar policies in India. So प्रधानमंत्री उलयता, we have to adopt what the prime minister says, not speak negative about things when we don't have domain knowledge of it.
Correct.
आता IT parks, commercial buildings, everybody is moving towards renewable energy.
Yeah. आम्ही आता
I will
गोव्यात-
give one simple
Yes.
example. Now there is a solar panel which has got a size of 2 meter by 1 meter. You know, 15 years back, sir, this solar panel was just producing less than 75 watts of power. Today, the same panel producing 600 watts. So you just see how technology has improved. 15 years back, yes, it was not feasible. And this mindset, who are speaking about it, they're still 15 years back. You know, they have to upgrade themselves. They have to adopt what is happening yesterday. You know, there's a difference yesterday and today in the technology aspect of it. Technology evolves over a period of time. Huge amount of R&D is going on in solar technology. And India, I'll tell you, Narendra Bhai Modi has taken it as a mission of solarizing our country. In next, you take it from me, another next 10 years, we will be able to achieve huge amount of electricity, and the unit cost will substantially reduce.
Completely.
In Goa, the problem in Goa is that Goa does not produce a single unit of electricity. But we are the cheapest in the country. No further, I will not make any further comment. The reasons best known to all.